Hello students, in the last session we have discussed about regional distribution of minerals across continental wise. In this session we will discuss about distribution of minerals in India. Learning objectives. At the end of the session, the student will be able to identify the major mineral resources of India and explain the distribution of minerals in India. Students, in the previous session when we were discussing the distribution of minerals across the world, we have learned that the mineral distribution is not evenly placed on the surface of the earth and the quality and quantity of mineral resources varies from place to place. In India, almost all the states have the rich mineral resource base. So, let us analyze the distribution of minerals in India. The major mineral resources in India are iron ore, bauxite, mica, copper, manganese, limestone, gold and salt. Let us discuss the distribution of iron ore. Students, India has the deposit of high grade iron ore. There are 4 major grades of iron ore which contains varying percentage of iron in them. Those are magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. Magnetite is the high grade iron ore and it contains 72% of iron in it. Hematite contains 60 to 70% of iron in it. Limonite contains 40 to 60% of pure iron in it, whereas the siderite contains only 40% of iron in it. In India, iron ore deposits mainly found in the states like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj are the major iron ore producer in Orissa. In Naumundi, East Singhbhum and Goa, West Singhbhum are important mines in Jharkhand. Dalli and Rajhara in Durg districts are the important mines in Chhattisgarh. Sandur Hospate area of Ballari district, Baba Budan Hill and Kudremukh in Chikmagalur district and parts of Shimoga are the important iron ore region in Karnataka. The districts of Chandrapur, Bandara, Ratnagiri are the iron regions in Maharashtra. Students, next we will discuss about the distribution of bauxite ore. Bauxite is primarily a metallic mineral and it is only a raw material ore used for large scale aluminium production. Major bauxite mining states in India are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Odisha is the largest producer of bauxite in India. Kalhandi, Sambalpur, Bolangir and Koraput are the leading producer of bauxite in Odisha. Lohardag, Jharkhand is rich in bauxite deposits. Amarkantak Plateau has a rich deposit of bauxite in Chhattisgarh. Katni, Jabalpur area and Bhalghat are the major region of bauxite in Madhya Pradesh. Kolaba, Thane, Ratnagiri, Satara, Pune and Kolhapur in Maharashtra are the important bauxite producers. So students, I think now you are clear with the distribution of bauxite ore. Now we will move on to the distribution of mica. Mica is a mineral which is physically and chemically same, and mica is fairly light and relatively soft. It is a major raw material for electronic and electrical industries. Mica deposits are mainly occur in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and in Rajasthan. India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Hazaribagh Plateau of Jharkhand and Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh have the deposits of high grade mica. Jaipur to Bilwar and areas around Udaipur are the major mica bearing regions of Rajasthan. Okay students, now we will discuss about the distribution of copper. Copper is one of the few metals which occur in nature in a directly usable metallic form. It is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Copper deposits are largely concentrated in Singhbhum district of Jharkhand, Bhalghat district of Madhya Pradesh and Junjunu and Alwar district of Rajasthan. Okay, I think you are all clear with distribution of copper in India. Now we will discuss about the distribution of manganese. Manganese, it is a chemical element which is not found as a free element in nature. It is often found in the minerals with the combination of iron. Manganese is very important mineral for steel industries. Odisha is the leading producer of manganese. Kendujar, Sundargarh, Koraput, Kalhandi and Balangir are the major manganese regions in Odisha. Dharwar, Ballari, Belgavi, Shivamogga, Chitradurg, Tumkur and Chikmagalur are the major manganese regions in Karnataka. Nagpur, Bhandara and Ratnagiri districts are the major manganese regions in Maharashtra. Bhalghat, Chhindwara, Mandla and Jhabua districts are the important manganese regions in Madhya Pradesh. Okay students, now we will discuss about limestone. Limestone is a sedimentary rock composed primarily calcium carbonate in the form of mineral calcite, and it is used as a building material. Calcium carbonate is a chemical compound with a formula of CaCO3 and which is composed of mainly three elements. They are carbon, oxygen and calcium. Major limestone producing states in India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of limestone and the large deposits are found in Jabalpur, Satna and Betul. In Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Raigarh and Bastar have the limestone deposit. In Bihar, limestone deposits are found in Kaimur, Mungar and Rohtas district. In Jharkhand, limestone deposits are found in districts of Hazaribagh, Singhbhum, Ranchi and Bokaro. Okay students, Now we'll discuss about gold. As we all know that gold is highly valuable mineral and precious metal which is the best conductor of heat and electricity. And also it is malleable and ductile in nature. There are 3 gold fields in our country. Those are Kolar Goldfield in Kolar district, Hatti Goldfield in Raichur district of Karnataka, and Ramgiri Goldfield in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. Kolar gold mines are among the deepest mines in the world, which makes the mining of this ore a very expensive process. Okay students, I think you are all clear with the distribution of gold in India. Now we will discuss about the salt. Salt is a mineral composed primarily of sodium chloride, that is NaCl, which is a chemical compound and belongs to a large scale of salt. Salt is harvested through solar evaporation from sea water or salt lake. Wind and the sun evaporate the water from shallow pools, leaving the salt behind. It is usually harvested once a year when the salt reaches the specific thickness. After harvest, the salt is washed, drained, cleaned and refined. Students, India is one of the leading producer and exporter of salt to the world. The major salt producing states in India are Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Rajasthan. Gujarat produces around 76% of salt, which is from Great Run of Kutch. Tamil Nadu is the second largest producer of salt after Gujarat. The state contributes 12%. Thoothukudi, Ramanathapuram, Nagapattinam, Villupuram and Kanchipuram are the major producers of salt in Tamil Nadu. In Rajasthan, Sambhar Lake is India's largest inland salt lake. Aridity plays a major factor in the formation of salt in the Sambhar Lake, which is a part of Thar desert. So students, these are the major minerals found in India, and in today's session we have learned to identify the major mineral resources in India and explain the distribution of minerals in India. Okay students, in the next session we will learn about uses of minerals and its conservation. Wear mask, stay safe. Thank you.